folks. Ever wondered why the banking system, a centuries-old institution, seems to be struggling in the modern digital era? It's a question that's been on many minds, and the answer lies in the inherent limitations of this traditional system. Consider the fees, for instance. Banks are notorious for their high transaction fees, something that can take a considerable bite out of your hard-earned money. Then there's the matter of international transfers. Sending money across borders can be a slow and tedious process, often taking several days to complete. And let's not forget about accessibility. Despite advances in technology, a significant portion of the world's population remains unbanked or underbanked. These folks are often left out in the cold, unable to access basic financial services that many of us take for granted. But what if there was a better way? A system not constrained by these limitations? Welcome to the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a new financial system built on blockchain technology that seeks to remove the middlemen from financial transactions. Let's break it down. At its core, DeFi is a financial system where traditional banking functions like lending and borrowing are performed on a decentralized network rather than through a centralized financial institution. It's essentially finance without borders or gatekeepers. The beauty of DeFi is that it operates on blockchain technology, a digital ledger where transactions are recorded and verified by a network of computers or nodes rather than a single authority. Let's imagine a world where the power of finance is in everyone's hands, not just the privileged few. Picture a remote village in Africa. Traditionally, many of its inhabitants might not have access to a bank account, but with DeFi, all they need is an internet connection. Meet Amina. She's a farmer in this village who's just had a bumper harvest. She wants to lend some of her earnings to a fellow farmer, Joseph, who needs to buy seeds for the next planting season. In the traditional banking system, Amina and Joseph would need a bank to facilitate this transaction, but with DeFi, they can do it directly, peer-to-peer, through a DeFi platform. Amina simply needs to convert her earnings into a digital asset, like a cryptocurrency, and lend it to Joseph via a smart contract on the blockchain. This contract automatically enforces the terms of the loan, such as the repayment schedule and interest rate, eliminating the need for a middleman. And voila, Amina has become a lender and Joseph a borrower in a financial system that is open to anyone, anywhere. It's a system that is not only inclusive, but also efficient and transparent. Because every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it's easy to track and verify. This is just a glimpse into the potential of DeFi, a system that is not only inclusive, but also efficient and transparent. Now, let's juxtapose DeFi with traditional banking. Traditional banking, as we know it, has been around for centuries. It's a system that has served us well, but also has its limitations. Access to banking services can be limited, particularly in areas with low financial infrastructure. Efficiency can often be hindered by bureaucracy and red tape. Transparency isn't always a given, and control over finances can be frustratingly out of reach for many. Enter DeFi Decentralized Finance. This new world of finance aims to address these issues head-on. Built on blockchain technology, DeFi opens doors to financial services for anyone with an internet connection. It's faster, bypassing the need for intermediaries. It's cheaper, with lower transaction costs. It's transparent, with every transaction visible and verifiable on the blockchain. And it's empowering, giving individuals full control over their finances. DeFi has the potential to democratize finance, but it also has its risks and challenges. So what does DeFi mean for the future of banking? Essentially, it's a paradigm shift. Imagine a world where financial services are open and accessible to all, where intermediaries are no longer needed, where transactions are transparent, fast, and efficient. This is the promise of DeFi. Yet it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The road to DeFi dominance is paved with challenges. Regulatory hurdles loom large, as governments worldwide grapple with how to deal with this new financial frontier. Security concerns persist, as the decentralized nature of these platforms can make them vulnerable to hacking. Despite these challenges, the potential of DeFi to reshape the banking industry is undeniable. It's like a digital David taking on the traditional banking Goliath. The world of finance is on the brink of a revolution. Whether DeFi will fully replace traditional banking is yet to be seen, but it's clear that it's already making a significant impact.